Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a pillowcase for your favorite sports team. You can purchase many sports team fabrics from Etsy sellers on Etsy.com. Joann's Craft Store sells some as well. For this project, you'll need a threaded sewing machine, ironing board or pad, sports team fabric, scissors, fabric clips and pins, marking pencil or tailor's chalk, which is used for marking fabric, tape measure and or yardstick for drawing a straight line, pinking shears, which are optional, but they are used to cut cloth edges that are unfinished and easily fray at the ends when the threads easily pull out. Using these shears does not prevent fraying, but limits fraying and minimizes damage. They create decorative edges as well. A pillow to insert inside the pillowcase. Here's a pillow diagram for my pillow measurements. First, measure your pillow for the pillowcase and make a note of the length and width before starting. Cut off the copyright print before measuring if yours has it. Then measure the pillow you're covering to create a pattern and make sure to add room for the seam allowance and the top finished edge as shown in the pillow diagram. Note, if your fabric print is horizontal as mine is, fold the fabric widthwise as shown. Cut fabric 20 inches wide to leave room for 1/2 inch seam allowances on each side and 36.5 inches long because 11 inches was added to the length to make a nice finished fold at the opening of the pillow. Cut 2 of them, then lay out each fabric piece. Mark the fold area with a pencil or tailor's chalk and mark 1 inch from the edge. Then make one more mark of 6 inches from the edge. Fold at the 6-inch mark towards the wrong side of the fabric. Then press and tuck under at the 1-inch mark and press again. Follow the same steps for the second piece of fabric, but if your fabric print is horizontal as mine is, repeat the same on the opposite side of the second piece. Then unfold the fabric and line up all corners and pressing lines. With right sides together, pin pillowcase pieces together along the 3 unfinished edges. Stitch around the 3 sides using 1/2 inch seam allowance and start by back stitching and stitch until you get to the first corner. Make sure the needle is all the way down in the fabric. Then lift the presser foot and turn the fabric. Lower the presser foot and continue stitching around the sides of the 2 remaining edges. You can finish the seam allowances with a zigzag stitch or cut the edges with a pair of pinking shears as shown. Turn the pressed folds towards the wrong side of the fabric, making sure to line up the side seams and pin. Stitch as shown, approximately 1/8 inch away from the folded edge. Turn the pillowcase to the right side. Then press the crease again. And turn the fold back towards the right side of the pillow at approximately 4 inches and press. Line up the side seams, then sew along the seam by backstitching along the seam line. This will keep the fold in place. Insert your pillow. You've now made your favorite sports team pillowcase.